Okay, so now we're ready to cut our weavers for our short baskets and our tall baskets. And remember, when we're cutting our weavers for our tall and short baskets, we are not only going to be using 1/2-inch weavers, but we are also going to be using 1/4-inch weavers. But the very first step before we begin cutting is to first decide which partner will be doing the cutting and which partner will be doing the holding or the measuring at the 0 line. So you and your partner have to decide who will be going first. Kirby, would you like to cut your weavers first?
Sure.
Great. So what we're gonna do first is you need to check your pattern card and see which color are you going to be cutting first.
Let's start with blue.
Okay, blue. So we need to grab about 2, maybe 3 weavers or uncut pieces of reed from our reed bundle. And one partner will hold the top while the other partner pulls their necessary reeds. And then we can just shake it out. Put that on the table, okay? And we'll put that back down there. All right. Before we begin cutting, let's double check with each other as partners. Do you know how long your tall basket weavers are?
My tall basket weavers are 21 inches.
21 inches. So we're going to be measuring and cutting our weavers to 21 inches. So I'll go ahead and take the end of your reed. And like I said before, it's my responsibility to make sure I'm holding the uncut end of our reed on the 0 line. I need to pay attention and make sure that I'm focused and not talking and looking around the room, because if I move my weaver out of the way, we're going to have incorrect measurements. So I'm going to hold that right there on the 0 line.
Steven, before we start measuring, I should double check how many blue weavers I need. So I can reference my pattern card and just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know I need 5 blue weavers.
Awesome. So when you're ready to go, you can grab your pencil and mark right on the 21-inch mark line. And give that a cut. Okay, and now that we have one cut reed or one 21-inch long tall weaver, I think you should put this in your bag, because I don't want to get confused with anybody else at the table or with the weavers that I'm going to be cutting.
That's a good idea.
Okay, I'm on the 0 line, you're good to go. Okay, great. So is that 5 weavers total for your tall basket?
Yes, it is.
Okay, what is next? What colors are we cutting next?
Let's do red. And according to my pattern card, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reds.
5 red weavers.
And that is including my 2 ribs on top.
Okay, so let's go ahead and pull those from the reed bundle.
Okay. So can you go ahead and line that up with 0 line?
21 inches.
Steven, do you think there's a faster way we could do this?
I think so. Instead of drawing or marking and cutting for every single weaver, what I think we could do is line up our end on the 0 line like we were doing before, and I think you can mark at the 21-inch mark point, and then I'll just move this down. I'll move my mark down to the 0 line, and you can make another mark, and I think that'll help it go quicker. So we
Okay.
mark, 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 cut, cut, cut.
Cool. So I have 4 red weavers. I just need 1 more.
One more. Great, so it looks like you're all done cutting your red weavers. What color is next?
Last, I have my purple 1/4-inch weavers.
Purple 1/4-inch weavers. So remember, we're also cutting 1 1/4-inch weavers. We have done our 1/2-inch red and 1/2-inch blue. Now we're doing the 1/4-inch. Okay, so I'm gonna line that up with the 0 line.
Marking it at the 21. All right, I think I have all my weavers ready for my basket.
Excellent. So I think that means it's my turn. I'm cutting the short basket reeds, which means my weavers are going to be 25 inches long. So Kirby cut her tall basket weavers to 21 inches. Now I'm doing a short basket and they're going to be 25 inches long. Now that it's my turn to cut the weavers for my short basket, Kirby and I have switched positions, so she is closer to the 0 line of the measuring tape, and I will be measuring and cutting to 25 inches on the measuring tape. So it makes sense for us to switch positions. It looks like on my basket pattern card, I need 4 blue weavers. So we go to the 1/2 inch blue weavers. 1, 2 of these. All right, go ahead and take the end of that. Mark that up to the 0 line, please. My next color is natural, but for natural I need to cut 1 1/2 inch weaver and I need 2 1/4 inch weavers. So we'll grab the 1/2 inch weavers first. Now that I'm done cutting my 1/2 inch natural weavers, I need 2 1/4 inch natural weavers. So I'm gonna grab those from the weaver pile. And I think 1 should be fine for this one. Maybe. We'll see. Okay, go ahead and line that up on the 0 line. Okay, there's my 2 1/4 inch weavers, and I have 1 more color to go. It says I need 2 yellow 1/2 inch weavers. Okay, great. Those are my last 2 weavers. Now Kirby and I both have full bags of weavers ready for our next lesson.